Alright, what's up guys? My name is Patrick and today we're installing a MK6 GTI intake. So this one is actually from Integrated Engineering. I haven't used any of their stuff yet, so this is kind of like a first peek, but the quality seems awesome. Cold air intake is one of those, like, it's pretty easy and you get a lot of benefit from it, mainly in noise. It just sounds really good. So yeah, let me unbox it and kind of show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so just looking all over the stuff, looks fantastic build quality. They use like this kind of wrinkle finish and it's really nice. We have a massive air filter. This is 5.5 inches, which may be a little bit overkill. We'll see. Yeah, overall build quality is really solid. It's not a sponsored video. I wish it was, but it's not. So this is actually like a full kind of review, unbiased, so I'll let you know if it's crap or not. But so far, it seems really nice. So here's something interesting. If you have this tube coming out of your intake box, you actually have the engine code CBFA, which means that you need to order a secondary breather. This is just going to attach to that hose and make it so it just vents to atmosphere. Luckily, it actually comes with a bracket. Last time, I just zip tied this guy just to the side of the car and it was fine, but it's nice that there's a bracket. Also, you just gotta love VW. They use Torx for that part of the intake, and then Allen for that part. Why not just use one? Doesn't make any sense. Okay, so here's a closer look at all the stock stuff. It really does kind of just come off like one by one. It's not difficult at all. There's one 5 mil, I guess. Allen, take that guy off. There's two little pop collars right here. I don't know if that's what they're called, but you just squeeze them off and they fly off. And yeah, that's it. That's the intake off. Now I just have to take off this pipe, which this one is the more difficult one. So this guy is actually bolted on right about there. You're gonna take that nut off and it'll free up this side. You guys probably can't see down. Oh, there we go. Yeah, take that guy off. And then you're gonna have to take off the fitting that's holding this guy onto the turbo, I guess it would be inlet, turbo inlet. And then yeah, it'll free up, but that's kind of annoying. There's also a hose right here. I'll show you guys a little bit more of that. That has to come off as well, but it's easier to take that off once this pipe is actually free. Okay, so I got everything off. This connector is awful. I actually broke it, so I think it should go back on. If not, I do have an extra one of these lying around, so it's not the worst thing in the world. Yeah, you may notice actually that there is a little bit of oil in the turbo inlet. Unfortunately, that is kind of normal. The PCV system in these cars are not good, so you'll find that there's a lot of oil blow-by. So it's not the worst thing in the world, but kind of annoying. So yeah, we just need to take this little rubber guy off and yeah, install the new guy. All of the hoses use an 8 mil, or just kidding, 7 mil. So it's kind of pretty self-explanatory what to do now. You just kind of match up the couplers to where they should go, and yeah, just keep working your way from the turbo up and you'll be good. Alright, so there we go guys, that is the intake install on my MK6 GTI. So I actually took the intake off, and I'm going to make an entire video on why I ended up doing that, because it's actually pretty bad. I'll explain it a lot more in the other video, but if you do want this intake, hit me up, follow me on Instagram. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just throw it in the comments below. See ya!